Good morning and thank you for joining us for Wednesday's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about recent developments. Emily.
Venture capital investment in crypto rebounded in the second quarter of 2025, with companies raising $10.03 billion over the three-month period ending June. It was the strongest quarter since Q1 2022 at $16.64 billion. US President Donald Trump said he plans to announce tariffs on imported semiconductors and pharmaceuticals, saying the rate for medicines could reach 200%, but he would give drug makers about 1 year to get their act together. Physically backed gold ETFs recorded their largest semi-annual inflow since the first half of 2020 from January to June. A trade war sparked by Donald Trump's tariff policy prompted investors to seek shelter from political and economic volatility in gold ETFs.
The sterling dollar pair edged lower in the last session. The Williams indicator is in overbought territory. The Bitcoin dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The dollar-yen pair saw moderate gains in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal.
With a full schedule ahead, the economic calendar features critical reports and updates, ranging from major announcements to moderate impact data. These releases may guide financial markets, so staying informed is key. These updates are not just routine, they're potential catalysts for market change. Be ready to evaluate their impact and adjust your investment plans accordingly.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Wednesday's Market Outlook. On behalf of us all here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.